The Ovos V6002 Prestige Design Lever Handle, suitable for all housing and light commercial use. It is similar to the Ovos V6001 but has a return end which prevents hands sliding off and coats catching. Matching pull handle is the V6101, which also features the offset oval shape. Can be supplied with sprung or unsprung rows. The V6002 can be fitted chunky or slim by reversing the installation. The Ovos handles are designed to be both attractive and ergonomic. The finish shown is in satin stainless steel.